Hello everyone, we're going to talk about probability and examples. What is probability? The extent to which an event is likely to occur as determined by the fraction or proportion of successful outcomes to all the possible outcomes. Outcome, term used in discussing probability for the result of an experiment. This is the formula of probability. Probability of an event equals number of outcomes that satisfy our criteria over the total number of possible outcomes. We can also use P, shorthand for probability, and A, shorthand for an event. Now, this time we're going to talk about dice, okay? A little refresher lang that die is singular and dice is plural. Now, let's take this another example. What is the probability of getting 5 in a 6-sided die? So again, knowing that our formula for probabilities is desired outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes, the answer will be 1 over 6. Why 1? Because 1 is the only desired outcomes kasi sa 6 sides ng die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, isa lang naman yung 5. So siya lang yung pwedeng pasok sa standard. Kaya 1 number sa taas at 6 yung pwede maging possible outcomes pag nag-roll ka ng die. So 1 over 6. Now sometimes, i-convert natin siya into a decimal form. Ang gagawin mo lang is 1 divided by 6 in decimal form is going to give you 0.16 or 0.166. Kung gagawin mo siyang percent, that would be 16.67%. So again, all of this thing is basic example lang. Now let's try this another example. Another example. What is the probability of rolling 6s in a 2 dice roll? Ibig sabihin ng 6s, dalawang beses na nalalabas na 6. May isa ka ding die na 6 ang lalabas tapos yung pangalawa, 6 din. Okay, in these cases, kapag nagdagdag tayo ng condition or nagdagdagan ng event, pag nagdagdag tayo, maglalagay rin tayo ng dalawang blank for first roll and second roll kasi dalawang beses kang magro-roll kasi we have 2 dice roll. Now again, ang gagawin mo lang would be kung ano yung probability ng unang event. So yung una mong roll would be 1 over 6. Bakit kasi isa lang naman ang 6. So sa loob ng die, 6 yung possible na sides niya. Tapos yung pangalawang roll mo, ganun din naman. At kapag dalawa na yung event, i-multiply mo lang siya. So you have 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. Kung isosolve again in multiplying fraction is isosolve mo lang across yan. So that would give you 1 over 6. Okay? 1 over 36 yung likelihood na makapag-roll ka ng die sa dalawang magkasunod na 6. Okay, kung dalawa yung die, now again, kung kailangan i-convert into a decimal, ang gagawin mo lang is 1 divided by 36. It would give you about 2.8%. Now, either of these two can be correct answer. Probability in pie charts. Pie chart is a presentation of how frequency a category is observed, and the probability of taking on a specific value is equal to the size of that category slice in a chart. The pie chart in figure 1 is used to represent the favorite sports of 100 people. The probability of hitting the slice for any given sports is equal to the size of that slice, with the highest probability of being 36%. To get then probability, the slices are added together to see what proportion of the area is in that region. If the favorite sport is not called football somewhere in the world, then the slices can be added even though they are not adjacent or continuously in the chart. The size of the slice corresponds to the area taken up by the season. The percentage for a specific category can be represented as decimal, and the total area of this chart is approximately 100% or 1.0.